Hi and welcome to the Basic Bananas headquarters rooftop. This is our fancy rooftop here. There's Christo. He has a change of career. He's now a roofer.
Turns out we have a leak. Leak into the podcast room, unfortunately.
We are up here on our roof. Can you see? So we climbed up on top of this roof. We have a very beautiful view over here, over the lake. And we decided to come and put some silicone on the holes of the roof because it's leaking into our podcasting room, as Krista mentioned. And I thought I'll do a quick video while we're up here because this reminds me that it's so good sometimes to look from really high up at the business and do a review from really high up. And what I mean by that is look at the different components of the business and look at what you can change. For example, let's say you come really high up, you look at your business from super high up like this. Chris is a bit nervous that I'm sitting on the edge here, so I'll move down here. And then think about what are your worst customers right now and what are your best customers. So is there anything that you can get rid of? What are your worst customers? Do you maybe need to get rid of them? What are your best team members? What are team members that maybe you shouldn't have in your team? So look at a review of best and worst, and do you need to get rid of worst? And also look at how you, right now is a really good time to also cash up and look at how you can cut costs as much as possible. So what are some of the things that you're doing in your business right now that you could cut out? So maybe some costs, maybe you can increase your margins by reducing costs, and so that you can also increase your margins and your revenue and your profit ultimately. So I thought this will be fun for you to see a little bit Basic Bananas headquarters rooftop. We were just talking about how we should really make this rooftop nice. You know, we could probably just put a swimming pool up here if we made this a little bit nicer, but for now we're doing quick roofing fixes here. Till next time.
Thank you.